So there was a power failure. I got this corrected. Now it's connected to Genset. I hope my voice is audible. Priya, Veena, Van, Shakil.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there was a power failure. So I hope everybody is back. Shall we begin now?
Yes, sir.
So interbank accounts transfer or owned by common individuals. For example, I have two subsidiary and associate companies. So I will do a bogus sale and purchase or inflate my receipts among these subsidiary for the purpose of routing or money laundering. So routing of this transaction showing as a genuine business transaction between associate and subsidiary companies owned and controlled by common individual only for the purpose of layering so that it looked like a genuine transaction is known as this method of layering. So I hope the accounts owned and controlled by common individuals are clear. मान लीजिए I have one subsidiary, one associate company. So I have placed, let's say Mr. A have placed some dirty money in the system. So the company in which he has placed this dirty money, from that company, a bogus sale or purchase invoice will be given to a subsidiary, and then the subsidiary will receive the funds and it will transfer further to associated company, and from associated company another transaction that will come in the A's company as a genuine business transaction. So it means routing of the transaction to various subsidiary associated company so that original proceeds cannot be identified. So I hope it's clear. Is interbank transfer between the accounts owned and controlled by common individuals clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So is it clear, Shanu, Veena, Priya?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It is.
sir.
Let's say subsidiary associate companies हैं, तो मैंने place की करा dirty system like dirty money into one company, and so that one company do buying and selling just on papers with one subsidiary, and then one subsidiary further doing the buying and selling with another subsidiary and associate, and from that associate a genuine business transaction was done by inflating the amount into the A's company. So there is a multiple way through which layering can be done. So I hope it's clear. Shall I move to the last parameter?
Yes, sir.
So interbank transfer between the accounts owned or controlled by common individuals. Performing interbank is more or less the same, so I'm not repeating it. Last is depositing a refund check from cancelled vacation or insurance policy. ये भी एक बहुत पुराना तरीका था इससे, लेकिन बहुत स्मॉल अमाउंट आप लॉन्ड्री कर पाओगे, बहुत मेजर नहीं कर पाओगे. You can book a vacation in cash to a travel agent. Suppose, let's say a person has 2.5 lakh rupees deposited in cash. So person has 2.5 lakh rupees in cash. So he go to a travel agent, booked a vacation and paid him that 2.5 lakh rupees, or let's say 10 lakh rupees for a vacation in cash. So the travel agent received that 10 lakh rupees in cash from this person, and later on that person cancelled the vacation. So the travel agent will not now hand over, if it's a good company, it will never hand over the cash back to the person who is booking the same. So he will hand over a check in the name of the person who has deposited the money in cash. So जो travel agent है वो basically on cancellation will issue a check. So that check can be deposited into your bank account and it will be look like a genuine transaction. Although income tax department in India take the list of all the people who are traveling abroad from the travel agents. तो हमारे कंट्री में ये तरीके की पॉलिसी यूज नहीं हो सकती. Is that clear? So deposit a refund out of the cancelled vacations for which the original money was deposited in cash and cancellation was taken in check. So I hope this cancellation, vacation, layering method is clear. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब इसके साथ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी बोला है. सी इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी के साथ काफी लोग टैक्स एविशन करते हैं. कैसे? How many of you are aware कि इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी में फ्री लुक का पीरियड ऑफ 15 to 13 days. यानी आप जब आप इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी लेते हो तो आप विद इन 15 to 30 days का फ्री लुक का पीरियड होता है, in which you, if you think that you have made a wrong choice, so you can adopt the benefits of free lookup period and can cancel the policy. So बहुत सारे लोग in order to, since insurance companies get benefits from tax, since the insurance company का benefit मिलता है by investing in insurance you get a benefit of tax exemption. तो बहुत सारे लोग इंडिया में क्या करते थे, 20 या 25th को इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी बाय करते थे and that insurance policy of free lookup policy of 15 days और 4th या 5th को कैंसिलेशन रिक्वेस्ट डाल देते थे. तो उन्हें प्रीमियम की रिसीट मिल जाती थी जिससे वो इनकम टैक्स में एग्जम्पशन क्लेम कर लेते थे उस फाइनेंशियल ईयर में एंड नेक्स्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर में वो रिफंड मिल जाता था. सो दीज वर द वेज थ्रू व्हिच पीपल आर एविडिंग टैक्स. सो सिमिलरली इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज भी आपने कैश में डिपॉजिट कराई, फिर फ्री लुकअप से कैंसिल कर दी, सो आप यू गेट अ टैक्स बेनिफिट अमाउंट, द मनी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टैक्स बेनिफिट आल्सो. सब्सिक्वेंटली आपको कैंसिल करके वो जनरल बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शन में मिल गया. बट अब ये भी पॉसिबल नहीं होता क्योंकि इंश्योरेंस दैट प्रीमियम दैट इज डिपॉजिटेड इन कैश उसका बेनिफिट इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट नाउडेज नहीं देता है. So as to avoid this, insurance income tax department clarified in India, so any insurance premium deposited in cash in excess of 2,000 rupees, उसके लिए आपको tax benefit नहीं मिलेगा. So if you want to claim the insurance premium, so you have to deposit in bank only. Still बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे आज की डेट में भी करते हैं, 25 को पॉलिसी लेते हैं, प्रीमियम का बेनिफिट लेते हैं एंड 4th या 5th को पॉलिसी को फ्री लुकअप पीरियड में कैंसिल कर देते हैं. So if they're caught, so income tax department will recover the tax, otherwise not. So through insurance policy cancellation also, it was another method of layering. So all these are small method. It's a बहुत major amount of layer up नहीं कर सकते. Small amount can be layered off through this course. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, clear, sir.
I'll take 5 to 7 minutes to explain this. I'll take 5 to 7 minutes to explain the case to you. So I have any doubts till now?
No, sir.